I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action. ConvertKit. Give here the API secret key. So please visit ConvertKit API token. Under the API you can show API secret key. Click on Show and copy the key. And paste it into integrations. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a form. Select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the actions you can update ConvertKit by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to ConvertKit site. And you can see the data came successfully in the ConvertKit. Thanks for watching.